In this video, I'm going to share with you a secret, actually two secrets, that's worth millions, even billions of dollars. A fact of brilliance and intrigue that has been hidden in plain sight for years. This million-dollar approach is actually being used by people like Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Page, Elon Musk, Bill Gates. You can surely name the rest. It will finally be clear why Zuckerberg acquired WhatsApp, why Musk bought Twitter, and why these people keep making billions. It's all about the million-dollar approach. So whether you're a tech wizard or just curious about what I'm talking about, this is a tale you won't want to miss. Trust me, you'll be hitting that subscribe button by the end of this one. In order to fully grasp the concept I am about to show you, let's take a trip down history lane, and let's get buzzed about how Bluetooth came to be. Our story begins in the late 1990s, when a group of engineers from leading tech companies realized a growing need for a simple and efficient way to connect devices wirelessly. At the time, cables and wires were the norm, and connecting devices was often a cumbersome and frustrating experience. The name Bluetooth might leave you wondering about its origin. Well, it traces back to Harald Bluetooth Gurmson, a Viking king known for uniting Denmark and introducing Christianity. The technology's creators, inspired by his unifying influence, chose the name Bluetooth as a symbol of wireless connection and collaboration. In 1994, Jim Kardach, an Intel engineer, drafted the first proposal for a wireless communication standard that would eventually become Bluetooth. He envisioned a short-range, low-power solution for connecting various devices like computers, phones, and peripherals. To bring Bluetooth to life, a group of industry leaders founded the Bluetooth Special Interest Group, SIG for short, in 1998. This consortium included giants like Ericsson, IBM, Intel, Nokia, and Toshiba. Their goal was to develop and promote the technology. One of the key innovations behind Bluetooth was the development of the Bluetooth protocol stack, which included the physical layer, link layer, and application layer. This stack made it possible for devices to communicate seamlessly, regardless of the manufacturer. Okay, enough. What is the million-dollar idea behind Bluetooth? You see, today, Bluetooth is everywhere. It powers wireless speakers, keyboards, game controllers, and even medical devices. Its ability to connect devices without the need for cables has transformed the way we interact with our tech, making our lives more convenient and clutter-free. The first million-dollar idea behind Bluetooth is that it solved a problem. Look, as cliché as you may think this is, the world's richest people today are rich because they are solving a problem. Not two, not three, but just a problem. Zuckerberg solved a communication problem, Bezos solved a trade problem, Musk solved an energy problem, and the list goes on. What these people saw when they woke up was a problem to be solved, and that is why they evolved to the second million-dollar idea behind Bluetooth: ubiquitous. They didn't just solve any problem they found. God knows there are a lot of problems in this world, but they went higher, they dreamt bigger, saw a bigger picture than the rest of us, and solved a problem that was ever-present everywhere. In doing so, they inadvertently solved those little ones as well. Look, this is not a strategy limited to just the tech industry. Anna Wintour and Miuccia Prada in the fashion industry, Jeff Koons, François Pinault, and Leonardo Del Vecchio in the art industry. Leonardo Del Vecchio is the founder of the world's largest eyewear company. Switch and come to this very platform you are viewing this video. People are creating contents every day to solve a problem. And do you know why most channels do not get monetized? They are simply not solving a ubiquitous problem. Mr. Beast solves a problem of curiosity. What is this and that? A $1 this versus a $1 million that. I do not post content unless there is little or absolutely no information about that content. Other content creators are solving the problem of stress relief, knowledge acquisition. You don't want to hear me go on. It may not be said out loud, but life's basic nature is solving a problem. The million-dollar idea has been around us for centuries. I know what you are thinking. The world is saturated now. All the ideas have been thought of. Really? That is what someone, because of the same perception they had, you never knew their name. Do you lay in bed at night thinking about an energy problem, a communication problem, a trade problem, or a transportation problem? You are never too late to make that first $1 million. Hey, no one said they had it easy. It's going to be a rough ride. Rejection, disappointment, the stress. Oh yeah, it is guaranteed, but do you know what else is guaranteed after those predicaments? Success, y'all. To be precise, a whole $1 million. I bet you wouldn't settle for $1 million. I know I won't. Call me greedy, but I know I would deserve a second $1 million after solving a ubiquitous problem. This may be something you know, this may be something completely new to you. I just had to share it with y'all, and when I solve mine, you bet I would be sharing it with you on this channel. So, hit that thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, leave me a comment from that beautiful brain of yours. I will be replying, everyone. You deserve to be in the 1%. The only thing left is for you to know that. Adios.